Good morning to all of you. Now we are going to discuss about the integration by the partial methods. We have take some problem here. Now question number 11. Integration of x plus 1 divided. Here question number 11. Integration of x plus 1 divided by x square plus 4x plus 5 dx. Now solution 11. Integration of x plus 1 divided by x square plus 4x plus 5 into dx. Now if we integrate here, this is equal to 2x plus 4. Differentiate this 2x plus 4 so that here comes 2x plus 4. For this, now 2x plus 4, 2x, it means that we divide 2 and this can be written as 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2 divided by x square plus 4x plus 5 dx. Now differentiating it 2x plus 4 so that here comes 4. Now 1 by 2 integration of 2x plus 4. Add 2 here so that we subtract 2. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. So that this is x square plus 4x plus 5 into dx. Now this can be written as, with multiply this here, 1 by 2 integration of 2x plus 4. 1 by 2 2x plus 4 divided by x square plus 4x plus 5 dx, and this is minus, so that minus 1 by 2 comes here. Integration of 2 by this x square plus 4x plus 5 here dx. Now this can be cancelled 2 and 2. This can here in this case putting x square plus 4x plus 5 equal to t. Then differentiating with respect to x here, 2x plus 4 dx equal to dt. Now here in this case, this can be written as 1 by 2. Here 2x plus 4 dx equal to dt. This can be written as dt divided by, this is equal to t integration of this. This is equal to t and this is equal to 2x plus 4 dx equal to dt, and this is equal to t. Now minus, in this case 2 and 2 cancel, so that this is equal to 1 by x square. X square, it can be written as x square plus 4x plus 5 here. This can be written as x square plus 2 into abx into 2 to the 4 plus 2 chi square. Add, so that subtracting 2 chi square plus 5 here, so that this can be written as this is equal to x plus 2 chi square minus 2 to the 4 plus 5, so that this is x plus 2 chi square plus 1, 5 minus 1 chi square. This can be written as such type of this. Now here 2 cancel 1 by this x square plus 4x plus 5. This can be written as in this form, x plus x plus 2 का स्क्वायर एंड प्लस 1 स्क्वायर d here dx. Now this can be written as 1 by 2 integration of 1 by t dt is log t, and here this can be written as, you know that x plus 2 equal to t. In this case x plus 2 equal to t, dx equal to dt. In this case integration of 1 by t square plus 1 square dt t square, 1 plus t square, this can be written as 1 by a 1 by 1 tan inverse t by 1. As you know that formula 1 by x square plus a square integration of dx equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a here. Here we know that integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a. In this case x equal to t and a equal to 1, so that this is equal to 1 by 1 tan inverse t by 1. This is simply equal to tan inverse t. Tan inverse t equal to x plus 2 tan inverse x plus 2. This is equal to tan inverse x plus 2. Simple here. Now putting in this case t equal to this 1 by 2 log t equal to x square plus 4x plus 5 and minus tan inverse x plus 2 plus integrating constant c. This is our answer here. Now answer here, this is a 1 by 2 log x square plus 4x plus 5 minus tan inverse x plus 2 plus integrating constant c here. Now we take another example. Now question number 12 here, integration of 2x minus 1 divided by 2x square plus 2x plus 1 dx. As you know that here in the denominator 2x square plus 2x plus 1, differentiating it 2 to the 4x and this is a 2, so that such type of terms comes here in the numerator, so that we arrange this 4x, 4 comes, we multiply 1 by 2 here, this is equal to 4x multiply 2 to the 4x minus 2 and divide also this divided by 2x square plus 2x plus 1 dx and integration of this. Here multiply 2 4x minus 2 because if we differentiate it, in this case comes 2 to the 4x plus 2 for arrangement of this here. Now in this case 2 to the 4x plus 2 here minus 2, so that also arrange this 1 by 2 4x plus 2 and adding 2, so that subtracting 2 and 2 comes 2 also here minus 2. Adding 2 because here 4x plus 2, adding 2 subtracting 2 and minus 2 also here, so that this is 2x square plus 2x plus 1 dx and integration of this. This can be written as 1 by 2 here in this case 4x plus 2 divided by 2x square plus 2x plus 1 dx integration of this term here. This is minus 4 and minus 4 and a half here, half, and this is equal to minus 4 minus comes here, 4 dx divided by these terms, 2x square plus 2x plus 1. In this case, integration of this. Now 2 cancel here, so that in this case putting 2x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to t. This is equal to differentiating with respect to x, 4x plus 2 dx equal to dt. So that in here we put in this case 1 by 2 and 4x plus 2 dx equal to dt divided by this is equal to t integration, and minus here 1 by 2 to the 4 2 comes here, minus 2 integration of dx divided by this. We take the common 2 in this case, x square plus x plus 1 by 2 here. Now this is equal to 1 by 2 integration of 1 by t dt equal to log t. This is integration log t, and minus 2 here in this case 2 and 2 also cancel, so that integration of dx divided by 2 to cancel this, arrange this x square plus x plus half, this arrange x square plus 2 into x, here only x, so that 1 by 2, so that 1 by 2 adding and subtracting here, this is also plus half here. Now this term is equal to x plus 1 by 2 ka power 2, and this is 1 by 4, and this is minus 1 by 4 and plus 1 by 2. It can be written as 1 by 2. This is equal. This can be written as 2 by 4, so that this is equal to x plus half to power 2 plus 1 by 4 here. Now, so that this is equal to x plus 1 by 2 ke power 2 plus 1 by 2 ke power 2 here in this case. Now, if putting x plus half is equal to t, putting x plus half equal to t, so that dx equal to dt. This can also be written as dx equal to dt, so that this is 1 by 2 log t equal to this terms 2x square plus 2x plus 1. And in this case 2 here, dx equal to dt, so that integration of dt, and this is a t square plus 1 by 2 t square. Now as you know that integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a here. In this case, x equal to t and a equal to half, so that a is equal to half 1 by a 1 by 2 tan inverse x means t by a equal to 1 by 2. This is equal to 2 comes here, 2 tan inverse 2t here, 2 tan inverse 2t here. Now Now this can be written as 1 by 2 log 2x square plus 2x plus 1, and here this is 2 here, so that minus 2 into, and these terms equal to 2 tan inverse 2t. This is equal to 2 tan inverse and 2 t equal to here x plus half. Here 2 under root x plus half here. X plus half here. Now this is also written as 2 tan inverse 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. So that this is equal to 2 into 2 tan inverse 2x plus 1. In this case 2 to the 4. So that 1 by 2 log 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 4 tan inverse 2x plus 1. This is plus integrating constant c. This is our answer here. Now here in this case 2 and 2 cancel, so that dx by x plus dx by this can be written as here. This can be written as x plus half ka square plus 1 by 4 here, and putting x plus half is equal to t, dx equal to dt, so that we know that integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx equal 1 by a tan inverse x by a, so that this can be a equal to, in this case a is equal to half. This is a 1 by half, 2 comes here, tan inverse 2 comes here, 2t minus 1, putting the value of t, x plus half here, so that 2x plus 1 are 2 and 2 cancel. This is equal to 2 tan inverse 2x plus 1, 2 tan inverse 2x plus 1, so that this is our answer here. This is our answer. Now here 3 by 4 and putting 2x square plus x minus 1 is equal to t, so that 4x plus 1 dx is equal to dt, so that integration of this dt by t log t, putting the value of log t, that is equal to integration of this is 3 by 4 log 2x square plus x minus 1. 3 cancel, 1 by 4 here, 1 by 2 comes common here, x square plus x by 2 minus half here, and so that 4 to the 1 by 8 dx by, and this can be arranged here, x square x by 2 minus half, so that this can be written as in square form, a square x square 2 into x into 1 by 4, 2 cancel, x by 2 no difference, and 1 by 4 writing and subtracting these terms here, so that these terms will be equal to x plus 1 by 4 chi square minus 1 by 16, and this can be written as 8 by 16 minus 9 by 16. This is 3 by 4 chi square, so that these terms can be written as this, x plus 1 by 4 square minus 3 by 4 chi square this. Now this is equal to 3 by 4 log 2x square plus 2x square plus x minus 1 here, and plus 1 by 8 here. Now I know that integration of 1 by x square minus a square, this formula use dx equal to 1 by 2a log x minus a divided by x plus a here. 1 by 2a, in this case 2a equal to 3 by 4 and x is equal to x plus 1 by 4 here, so that 1 by 2a, this is this, and this can be written as 1 by 2 a equal to 3 by 4 here, 1 by 2 a and log x minus a, log x equal to x plus 1 by 4 minus a equal to 3 by 4 divided by x plus a and x plus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Now this can be written as 3 by 4 log 2x square plus x minus 1 here. This can be written as, now this is equal to this comes here in the upper side, so that 4 2 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. This is equal to 1 by 12 and log, and this can be written as 4x. After solving either here 4, this can be written as 4x and 1 minus 3 yani minus 2. This can be written as 4x and minus 2 divided by 4x minus 2 divided by 4 and 4x plus 3 1 4 divided by 4 cancel, so that these terms come here. Now this is also written as 3 by 4 log 2x square plus x minus 1, and here 1 by 12, and we take the common 2 in the upper side, so that log 2x minus 1 divided by, take common 2, so that 2x plus 2 here, and we add the integrating constant. See, this is our answer here. Now question number 14, integration of dx of x square plus a square x square plus b square. This is the square form, so that we assume that the ax plus b by this and cx plus d by this terms. Now here taking the LCM, this is case 1 and ax plus b these terms and cx plus d these terms, both sides these terms comes here cancel to each other. Now after solving and comparing the constant terms, coefficient of x and x square x cube, so that we get the relation